Welcome to your step-by-step tutorial on how to use your bundle dye kit. When you open up your kit, you will find your dried and pressed flowers, your fabric, which has been pre-treated with a mordant, dried flower petals, 2 containers of powdered dye stuff, and twine for tying your bundle. To begin, you want to thoroughly wet your fabric and wring out all of the excess water. You want the fabric to be damp to the touch, but not excessively wet, otherwise you won't get crisp prints. Make sure your fabric is facing right side up, which you're able to tell by the tag in the corner. Next, begin laying out your composition of flowers on one half of the fabric. All of these flowers will print double-sided. You're eventually going to fold over your fabric to create a mirror image. When you feel complete with your composition, you want to take the top corners of your fabric and very carefully lift them and fold them over to the opposite side. You want to do your best to line them up as evenly as possible without disrupting your flowers. This next step is optional, but if you would like clear prints without bleed through from side to side, you want to cut out a piece of parchment paper and try to line it up as best as possible. It's okay if it's not exactly perfect. And then you're going to take your fabric and the parchment paper as one and begin rolling from one side to the next as tight as you possibly can. And then you're going to start at the bottom and roll the fabric in on itself until you get to the top again, until you have a spiral that looks something like this. Then, using the twine included, begin to secure your bundle as tight as possible. You're going to place your bundle in a steamer pot on high steam for 45 minutes. When it's done, wait for it to cool and take it off the steamer and begin unraveling. Now it's time for the best part, which is peeling off the flowers to see what magic they left behind. After you're done peeling off your plants, you can give your fabric a rinse under cool water to get off any powder or residual dye petals. The colors left behind from the flowers are permanent and with proper care should remain vibrant for years to come. You will find care instructions listed in your dye kit, but these silks are all completely machine washable or hand washable on a gentle cycle in cold water with mild pH neutral soap. Here's my silk after being washed and ironed. And this is just one example of the endless color and composition possibilities you can make with your dye kit. I hope you enjoy making your very own flower dyed creation and feel the love and beauty of nature every time you wear it.